How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can invite collaborators on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, what you want to do is just try to tap the plus icon from the bottom, and then you can simply go to the option called post. And now you can simply choose to try to take something with the camera or anything like that. Now just tap the next option, and over here you'll find the option called tag people. Under tag people you'll find the option called invite collaborators. So all you have to do is tap an invite collaborator option, and then just tap the invite option, and make sure to simply enter the username of the person that you would like to invite over here. And once you enter the username of the person you would like to invite, you can just hit the arrow icon, and then you'll have successfully invited collaborators on Instagram. This way you can invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.